The Berlin Wall stands as one of the most powerful symbols of the Cold War era, representing the physical division between East and West Germany from 1961 to 1989. Its historical significance is profound, marking a period of intense political and social turbulence. The origins of the Berlin Wall can be traced back to the aftermath of World War II. In 1945, Germany was defeated and subsequently divided into 4 occupation zones, each controlled by one of the Allied powers: the United States, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom, and France. Berlin, Germany's capital, was similarly divided into 4 sectors, laying the groundwork for future tensions. Through the late 1940s and onwards, ideological differences deepened between the Soviet Union and the Western powers. In 1949, these differences culminated in the formal separation of Germany into 2 distinct states: the Federal Republic of Germany, West Germany, backed by the Democratic Western Allies, and the German Democratic Republic, East Germany, a socialist state under Soviet influence. Throughout the 1950s, East Germany suffered from economic challenges and political oppression, prompting a significant exodus of East Germans to West Germany via Berlin, which remained a loophole in the division. By 1961, with thousands of East Germans defecting each month, East German authorities, under Soviet pressure, decided to put an end to the mass emigration. On August 13, 1961, the Berlin Wall was erected overnight, initially as a barbed wire fence, and later reinforced by concrete slabs, high walls, and guard towers. The wall stretched 155 kilometers, about 96 miles. Its geographical symbol divided the city and its people, but also stood for the broader ideological divide between communism and capitalism. The existence of the wall impacted nearly every aspect of life in Berlin. Families were separated, travel restricted, and the cityscape transformed. East Berlin was isolated from the economic prosperity starting to emerge in the West. The impact of the Berlin Wall extended beyond Germany, affecting international relations and politics significantly. Its very existence served as a constant reminder of the Cold War tension and was often a focal point of political debates and efforts towards reconciliation. In 1989, after decades of separation and amid increasing political change, the Socialist Unity Party's control weakened, and a series of peaceful protests ensued across East Germany. The pressure for change grew, fueled by global political shifts, including the liberal policies of Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev. On November 9, 1989, the East German government announced freedom of travel for its citizens, leading to jubilant masses gathering at the wall. In an unforgettable scene fueled by human spirit and yearning for reunification, Berliners climbed over the wall and crossed freely as barriers began to crumble. The fall of the Berlin Wall was not just a physical deconstruction but symbolized the end of the Cold War division, ushering in a new era in European history. By October 3, 1990, Germany officially reunified, marking the conclusion of its post-war split and heralding a new phase of peace and unity.